So throughout the semester, you're going to be going through a variety of different tools to learn JavaScript. I do like this textbook a lot, but I will not use it for your only resource. One of the other resources I'll be using is Codecademy. Some of you may already have Codecademy accounts, and maybe you sat and kind of tried to work yourself through it. And it's unlikely you did it with JavaScript, so I'm going to show you how. First of all, you'll have to set up an account. When you set up an account, there's free and then there's pro. You'll never need a pro account for this class. So if it asks you to pay for it, you do not have to. It's going to be free. And if you have to close and cancel and go back out and log back in, etc., I'm never going to give you an assignment that you actually have to pay for. So when we get into this, when you go to Codecademy, if you scroll down, there'll be a catalog, and see I kind of already started Introduction to JavaScript. If you get stuck here, you can go up to that little X on the top there. Not that one. And then go to Catalog. And when you do, notice they have JavaScript listed up here already. So if we take a look for JavaScript, it should take us right to the different results they have. And the one you'll be looking for is the Introduction to JavaScript, just like this class. So wait for it to load here real quick. Notice I've already kind of started, so I've got a little bit of reset progress there. I just checked this to make sure that this was going to work for us. They'll tell you a little bit about why learning JavaScript, etc. Go ahead and start on this. When you get in, it should take you to a little menu here just momentarily. Then we'll go to Introduction. And we'll talk about built-in objects, etc. My window's kind of small here, so I'm going to stretch it out a little bit to make that a little easier for you to read. There we go. I think it's about as big as I can get here with it still fitting on the screen. So as you go through, you'll see there's activities for you here. They'll always have some kind of thing here on the left where they're going to ask you what it is that they want to do. Don't ever get too frustrated by these, because eventually when you run it enough times and it doesn't work, and actually this code is working here. Let me move this back over so you can see it. So this code is working just fine. Eventually, if you have the wrong answer enough times, what will happen is that eventually they'll say, show the correct code. So that way it's not too frustrating for you. But you're going to do the first ones in this. So starting with what is JavaScript, and you work your way all the way through built-in objects. And then I'll have you copy and paste that code just so I know that you went through and did it. But it's good stuff. It's relatively easy. It's very similar to the textbook, but it's a little more hands-on. And if you ever get kind of stuck, please feel free to ask me.